Question: who was the first person to go into outer space? Russia and the United States claim that it was one of their cosmonauts who first stepped out of a spacecraft into outer space, and of course, in a special protective spacesuit. Spacecraft into outer space, and of course, in a special protective spacesuit. And of course, in a special protective spacesuit. According to the Russian Mission Control Center, cosmonaut Leonov left his Voskhod 2 spacecraft for 10 minutes on March 18, 1965. The Americans doubt this and consider their astronaut E. White to be the first human to go into space, June 3, 1965, and I think that's true. Anyway, so far, the longest man to have been in outer American E. Oldrin. On November 11, 1966, he spent more than 5 hours in space. Question: what did the US and USSR name their astronauts? The word nautic is Latin for the art of driving ships. The art of driving ships. In the Soviet Union from the very beginning, people who flew into space were called cosmonauts, voyagers in space. It's the right name because space begins outside the Earth's air envelope. The Americans were more boastful and went straight to the stars. The word astronaut means a navigator who travels to the stars. Question: who was the first modern European astronomer? The Greek Aristarchus of Samos was the first European scientist who denied that the Earth was at the center of the universe. He lived between 310 and 350 BC. His theory was that the sun is at the center and the Earth revolves around it. At first it wasn't recognized. But for many non-European highly advanced civilizations like the Hindus, it was self-evident. It was self-evident that our Earth was just one of billions of celestial bodies in the infinite universe, and that, of course, the universe does not revolve around the Earth.